This is a Panlong. It's a HDMI switcher box. There are 5 ports, and I'll show you each one of them. They're here in this picture, but you also get an IR remote, which is really nice. And on the box, you can manually switch between your ports. I'm not sure where to start and how many uses you can get out of this. It's certified for 4K, which is going to be what even phones are going to pretty soon, and 4K is already out there, as you know. But 4K display, I mean 4K video cameras, 4K everything, so you're already covered there. Also your 1080p, HDCP support. I do use it for my Chromecast and Fire Stick, so that works out perfect. Use it for my Xbox and PS3, so that worked absolutely perfect. It's very, very simple to set up. You just plug the unit into your TV via HDMI cable, and I mean that's pretty much it. And all your other HDMI cables will go into each of the ports on the box, which I'll get up and show you in a minute. This is the IR remote. It's very simple. You got an up and a down, the IR end. It already has a battery in it, so they took care of you there. You can even hit memory to have a certain device come on when you power on the TV. I use it just for the TV as my memory, and then everything else switches on its own, which is absolutely amazing. It will switch between your other inputs depending on what you're using as far as Xbox or DVD player, etc. It does have a simple, it's just a very small owner's manual, but it pretty much covers everything. It's a little bit small print, so you won't be able to see it here very well, but it's very simple to use. There's just very little setup involved in using this. It's available on Amazon.com for $35.99. If you try, and once you get it, you'll see just how many uses you have for it, and how much easier it makes your life. Plus, if your TV is wall mounted, this is the only cable you'll see running to the TV, so that's also great. There will be no more HDMI cables everywhere. Like I said, there is an automatic and manual switch. It will auto switch between 5 HDMI inputs once the signal is detected. IR remote control is also an option for you. I use the remote a lot just to switch in between them. I think I have a Chromecast in there now. My cable TV box is in there. Xbox is in there, and I think the Blu-ray player is unplugged right now. But I'll show you. Oh, this is also what comes. There's also a AC plug with a USB end, and they provide you with the cable, and this also to power the unit. I'll get up and show you just how easy it is when it switches between your different inputs. I have an Xbox controller here and the IR remote with me. This is the cable. This is the HDMI box right here. You got Panlong's name on it. You can pretty much see, move this guy out of the way. You can pretty much see what's lit. See how one is not lit? That's the Xbox because it is not powered on. If you have an Xbox, you know you can just power it on through the controller itself. So as I power that on, you can see those are switching, and now the TV is also switching to Xbox. And like I said, I didn't have to press anything. It just switched on its own. And it will also be like that with Chromecast, which is this one right here that's lit. That's plugged into one of the 5 ports. This is going to the TV right here. And then you have your power and also another port over there, but that is your AC power. And as you can see, there is also a manual switch right there in between the two blues. And now there's two lights out because the Xbox is running, so Chromecast is out and the TV is out. So I mean the cable TV box, which is plugged in right here. So once Xbox is on, it'll eliminate two of your other inputs, but you can switch between them manually, and you can also switch between them with the remote control. I'll turn the Xbox off right now. So it's going off now. The box will switch back. See, the Xbox One went out, TV came on, and there's your TV. Now as for the remote, I will use it, press it down one, another light goes out, another one comes on, and that is Chromecast. You can see it down there, it's connected to my Chromecast. So just a simple click of the button or power on your Xbox, everything is done automatically. Absolutely love this thing. It's very tiny. All my cords are showing right now because of reviewing purposes. I even brought the TV down off the wall mount to show you, so I hope the video turns out okay and gets the point across just how amazing this product is. You can visit me at techgeeks.com. It's TECKgeeks.com. Post some comments on Amazon. Love to hear from you. Any questions, I will get to them and answer them. Anything you want to ask, go ahead and shoot it. I probably will be able to answer it. I want to thank my friends at Panlong. You guys got amazing products, and I will see you guys on the next one.